It's a new year, and I know most of us would just like to draw more. But if you've ever tried drawing daily, you know keeping up can feel like it's impossible. Then how are we supposed to maintain a habit of drawing consistently? Well, do these three things and you'll see it's actually doable and much easier than you think. The usual thank you to those of you who supported my books Painting Drawing Simple Guide and the Painting Drawing Workbook. Thank you. Drawing consistently doesn't mean literally drawing every day. It's just showing up regularly over time, which can be small and in a variety of ways once you're keeping the creative process going. It's not just about drawing, but it's also doing other things that help to activate and keep us in that creative mindset, like looking at art you enjoy, films, museums, reading, journaling, even taking days off to recharge your batteries, letting ideas germinate. All these are important and help to keep the creative wheels turning and cultivate the desire to draw. Remember, drawing is a process, not just a product. So it's not just about a finished drawing, okay? The drawing process also involves brainstorming, researching, planning, experimenting, practicing, getting feedback, critiques, refining your fundamentals, principles, and techniques, exploring different versions of compositions and themes, all requiring focus in their own right. So mix it up, keep it fresh, explore the different aspects of the process. And again, really quickly, before you forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share, just showing you appreciate the content and want me to keep creating more videos for you. Thank you. We're in an age of instant gratification. We want big results and fast, but the best way we build and maintain habits is with small increments, doing a little, a lot, right? So commit regularly to a little sketching, doodling, thumbnailing, working on that project. We trick the brain with these small activities. They don't feel like work, but it's how drawing consistently becomes automatic. So you see, making consistent drawing a habit is easier when we understand it's about tapping into a mindset, engaging in the whole process, and doing it in small steps. Okay, everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video.